Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama kwa ba Sandy Home Recipe. Today ka a ofre me video. Mema we to subscribe. And na ebe ko garden to akohwe nema me dua o me garden. Your first one is garden eggplant. The muhu ni nyina garden eggplant. Afi so start say the eso. Ana we su ye nketo afi na no so enyi. Ye fi oni abaye tomatoes plant and also I started the aso enche bebring so. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. We a cabbage plant. And I will see a pepper plant. If pepper no so near acquire sedano. If you are not so near acquire basil leaf. Nti de muhuni nyina ye den bia ana bell pepper and also start ye den eso ya buy French beans we su ye beans ye fi beans nso ya buy onion nti de muhuni nyina ye onion na ya buy pasimero we su ye okro ana okra plant and de ebia start say den eso ye fi no so ne ya buy jute leaf ana ademe. We see a peanut plant, that's granite and also. I have also a cassava. We see a strawberry, cocoyam plants. Please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Now this our vegetable garden tour. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.